Hey guys, I'm in Arlington, Tennessee in my latest renovation. So we purchased this house in as-is condition. We've scraped the ceilings down. It was that popcorn ceiling. Now we're gonna come in and make it smooth ceilings. I'll be painting all the walls a light gray color, the same one I used in my personal house. All the trim will be a bright white, shiny bright white on the trim, dull white on the ceiling. All new light fixtures. We're gonna open up this master shower. Let me show you what we're gonna do there. So right now you have a small door headed into a good sized shower, but it feels a bit claustrophobic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this wall out just above that light fixture, tear this wall out. I'm gonna replace the wall with a glass panel. So I'll have my glass company make a glass shower piece with a frameless glass door coming down here. I'm not increasing the size of the shower, but optically, it's gonna feel like a much bigger shower. Little tricks like that can really help. In the kitchen, we're gonna take these dark cabinets, we're gonna paint them white. They're in great shape, they're just a little dated as far as the color. These Formica countertops are coming out. We're gonna replace it with granite. We're gonna have a sink with one big bowl instead of the two separate bowls, and a gooseneck faucet coming through there. We're gonna have hardwood floors coming through the kitchen, the breakfast area, the family room over here. This is gonna be a completely updated, more modernized home, brand new light fixtures. On the exterior of the home, it's a good looking house. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch style home. We're gonna take this house and we're gonna paint it white. It's gonna look gorgeous. It's gonna be the same color scheme as my house. So white brick, white trim, gray shutters, gray garage door, gray entry door, and it's just really gonna pop. I love how it has the numbers right here on the house. So great little community in Arlington. I'll do a pan around here so you can see it's in a cul-de-sac. So that's very desirable to homeowners. And this little 3-bedroom, 2-bath will be completely renovated in just a few weeks. We're putting a 30-year architectural shingle roof on. It's gonna look like $1 million. Stay tuned for that one. Thank you very much.